Well, it's day one at Scanpack, and where else would we start the show but with Convertec, who is a regular exhibitor at the event, always in the same place, I believe. Leading distributor of graphic arts equipment, mostly pre-press and narrow web and finishing. And I'm with Carsten Jensen, Managing Director. Carsten, good morning.
Good morning.
So what are you expecting from the show?
We expect to have a very close look at our standard customers, our best customers coming here, as they usually do. Every 2 years we have the Scanpack, and we are here. So it's a meeting point to see our customers, always to bring some of the new equipment, and at this show we also bring new equipment.
Now we're really talking about converters and print service providers, hence the name Convertec. How many different companies do you represent in Scandinavia?
We have 10 major world-leading companies represented by Convertec, and we also have auxiliary equipment around the presses, which is as important in terms of cleaning, let's say helping customers to get the machines moving at optimal speed.
And we're going to be looking at two of those companies specifically this morning. I think the first one is right here with us, and that's Elitron.
That's correct. Elitron is new for Convertec. We have been cooperating since 1 year. We've already had success in Scandinavia amongst the leaders of our customers with systems working 24 hours a day. It is for the digital converting of cardboard, corrugated, name it. Any kind of material digitally converted, that is Elitron.
Well, I think we'll let Elitron tell us all about it, shall we?
That is a good idea.
So I'm with Massimo Cruciani, who is the Key Accounts Manager for Elitron. It's a North Italian manufacturer of finishing systems, and I think had its origins in the leather industry. Is that correct?
Yes, we say the Elitron company is based since 1985 in the central-east part of Italy, very well known for the shoes industry.
So in those 30 years, I believe you've installed something like 2,000 systems worldwide, and we're looking at one today. This is the Combo SDC, which I think has been available for a while, but not in Scandinavia until now. Is that correct?
Yes. Well, this is the first exhibition where we show the SD line. But anyway, the Scandinavian market is approaching to Elitron product, thanks to Convertec, even in the packaging, but with another system called Combo TV, the full automatic system mainly for packaging and corrugated.
What would you say were its key distinguishing characteristics? What differentiates it from the rest of the competition?
Basically, all the system has to cut quick and with a good quality. But Elitron want to concentrate the attention of the production not just in the speed, but in the logistic, how to manage the material. So thanks to the Seeker system, for example, it's possible load more, collect more than one file and more than one material at the same time. So the machine is very flexible. With the viewer projection, we can optimize the material. With the Combo TV, we can provide the system without the control of the operator. No supervision, optimization, be productive at the end of the day.
I think you told me that the training period for the system is incredibly short. Is that right?
Yeah, it is. For a Combo SD, the installation is about 3-4 hours. And for example, a first approach to the machine for a scale operator could be about 2 or 3 hours. At the end of the first day, an operator can use the machine. Of course, there is many other options, but if a company wants to be productive since the first day, could be possible with Elitron.
I suppose this might be an impossible question, but how many jobs could you think process in a single shift on average?
Oh, well, it's quite difficult to say because, of course, depending about the shape, the file, the material, but it's really productive. It's really productive. Compared with the main competitors, we can more productive of 10 or 12% for the SD line. for a combo TV more than 40%.
Well, it sounds like just a system that the Scandinavian market's been waiting for. Thank you very much, Massimo.
Thank you too. Thanks to the seeker system, the machine provides to scan the table, check the image, get the right file, match the image with the cutting file, give all the information directly to the onboard camera for the precision recentering, and provide the cutting. So the operator is just called to load the material and collect the finished one. Close to the imprint material, we can easily cut another material with the video projection, that is the device for a quick nesting. At this stage, the operator is ready to say OK, and the machine cut two different material with two different technologies. So I mean, for example, a PVC on the butterfly with a drag knife, and closer to this we have the router that I'm going to finish at the same material with a different technology. Finish the material in press, the machine is moving on the corrugated to cut a box. So in this way the machine works on the flexibility and on the logistic of the job, not just on the speed of cutting, because Elitron has the target for the productivity, to be productive at the end of the day and not just be quick on the cutting. The two devices that we showed, the seeker system and the video projection, are two plus of Elitron that could provide on the market just by us, because it is our patents developed on our company since 1985, with the table with 40 different suction area, driven by a pump of 7.5 kilowatts, provide a very strong aspiration and all the material on the table. Now it's easy to see that it's possible to get the finished material in a very flexible way.